Whew. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angela and this is my hair channel. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe right down below. If you love this video, you can give it a thumbs up. You can give me one now because you can take it back if you want to at the end, or you can give me one at the end. I wanna get you all alone now and go hide. So this video is going to be about a DIY hair mask. So this DIY hair mask is what I use like just about once a month, sometimes every 3 weeks, but just about once a month, or if I've been swimming a lot, I'll do it. So it's the Aloe Vera DIY mask, and what I'm going to be using is aloe vera plant, and I'm going to be using the coconut oil. So I have here my aloe vera already cut up because I was not about to try to film me cutting up this aloe vera and all of that. I didn't feel like doing all that. So, but it's already cut up. I just sliced it. Well, I chopped it in pieces. Then I sliced it in half. Then I also cut off them little pointy ends. And this is your end result. And I'm gonna be mixing with it coconut oil. I really wanted to use grapeseed oil, but I ran out. So I'm just gonna be using coconut oil. I've been using coconut oil for a lot of things. And don't get me wrong, coconut oil is good, but I just wanted to use something else. Yeah, I wanted to try something else. But oh well, so. And of course, I have Miss Winter here with me on my left, because every time she takes a nap or either when she sleep, I do other things. I never do videos because when I talk it wakes her up, so I never do videos, but I do other stuff. But anyway, so right now it looks like I dyed my hair, y'all. It looks so black, and my hair never looks this black. I usually always dye my hair to get it to look this black, but it looks so dark. I'm happy, I ain't complaining, but I've been wanting to dye my hair, but I've been trying to keep everything out of it while I'm doing this no heat challenge for a year. So I will not be flat ironing my hair until April 22nd, 2020. That's a long ass time. So all you do is you take, you know, one of the aloe vera plants and you just start rubbing it on your hair, on your scalp, and everything like that. So a lot of people use this for pre-poos, and pre-poos are just something to, you know, get your hair detangled, moisturized, so the shampoo won't strip your hair as much. And this is even with, you know, non-sulfate shampoos, things like that. Or some people just use it to detangle if you're prone to have very tangly hair on wash days. Or you can use it as a DIY mask, which is what I'm doing now. You can use it on your skin. It's good for a lot of things. But I've never used it on my skin. I said I was going to try it one day, but I have not used it on my skin. So right now I'm just going to use it, of course, on my hair. And I'm just going to work it out through. My hair is not really tangled. My hair is not really tangled, but I do got some kinks in it. So when you find yourself like running low, if you don't feel the gel on here anymore, just like punch holes through it with your thumb. Oh shoot, with your thumb. Some people grind theirs up in a blender. They cut the aloe vera off completely and they grind it in the blender. And then they strain it. And but I don't have a blender. Even if I did, I probably wouldn't do that. It's just I want to make it, you know, easy as possible, because with my kids and stuff, it just, as you can hear, my daughter, they interrupt me enough, so I try to cut down time as much as I can. Let's see. So this Okay, so this was a small piece of aloe vera. I used a very tiny piece, which is why this part isn't really coated just yet. Usually I save the small pieces actually for the front. I don't know even why I grabbed this piece, because the back I like to kind of really, you know, get in there and get it done. And I grab, now this is a bigger piece. I'll show you this piece. It's bigger. It's a little thicker, not too much. Because usually I don't, in the back, I usually use one piece for one little section. But, because we're going to get this section done. I'm usually not this long on this same section. Ooh. Yeah, it's really good for detangling too. I've never used it for detangling, like, only. I use it, like, specifically as a mask. And it's also really good for hair growth, just to let you know. I've been doing a lot of finger detangling lately. Because that way, before I just take my brush and run through my hair and, you know, yank out whatever knots there is, with your fingers, you can just kind of, you know, glide through it and kind of find the tangles and separate them first before you just yank your hair, because you can save a lot of hair being pulled out. And so that's normally what I've been doing lately. And then sometimes I'll still take my brush, my Denman brush. Let me stop lying. Not my Denman brush, my Annie brush, because I have not gotten the Denman brush yet. Which, only reason why is because every beauty supply store I go to, they don't sell it. And they're like, well, we got this one. And so I go ahead and I got that one, which is the Annie brush. Which, the Annie brush is still cool, but I do want the Denman brush. My daughter's over here making her own noise in her own video. So I'll just show you this one. This one section. Winter. No. No, ma'am. No. I know, but you can't be that loud. Okay. So I'll just show you this area. And you see, it just has your hair really defined. It's really soft too, and it feels like a smooth jelly feel. But I also put oil on it. And so, as I said before, I ain't got my grapeseed oil. So I'm gonna be using coconut oil. And I kind of just coat it after I do the aloe vera. Okay, so I'm just about done. Usually I come back when I'm done, but I wanted to show you guys an example of like my heat damage, and not perm damage, heat damage. So right here, you can see where the curl pattern just stopped, and it's just like some BS. That is where my heat damage is. Because you see over here, it's all the same, really. And over here is kind of just like, yeah. So I didn't get to show you guys this. So I take the aloe vera plant and I just press into it. So when you press into it, the more of the gel comes, the more of the gel comes out. And see, it's really messy. Usually I have a towel on, but penetrate. Come on, Aloe. Come on. Come through for me. Jesus. Maybe I should just split this in two like a regular hair person would do. That would be smart, Angela. So I love the way this leaves my hair like so defined, but it's going up. So I'm just putting it up, and well, let me just put it in these clips because that would help out a lot more. I should have twisted it as I was doing the sections. That's usually actually what I do. I twist the sections once I complete them. And then that way I just put it all up in the plastic cap. But I just wanted to show you guys the moisture, the definition, and everything like that. So I didn't twist them. But they're up now. Take the plastic cap. Bam. That's it. We're done. Well, we're halfway done. But we're done with this video. So that is all. Any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And also make sure you subscribe if you have a YouTube channel. Thank you. Catch you later.